Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So I'm gonna be doing something a little different today. We got some deer stands that we're gonna be moving and taking some feeders down. About to get ready to go. Got one truck, got a trailer that stand will be going on, carrying a carrying a four-wheeler with us to move some feeders out. Got a buddy coming to pull another trailer the same size. We carried BACKHOE down to the hunting club yesterday, so it's already there. So we're doing a lot of running around, getting stands down and moving around. So stick with us. Whenever it gets daylight, it's about 5:45 now. Pick you guys back up and show you what we got going on, but stick with us. Alright, we've made it to the club. Got the load the backhoe. Yeah, you can actually, buddy, what you can do with the binders. Huh? Dad, do you want to take the binders and just put them on these D-rings? Hey, we take these binders and just put them on these D-rings like this. Okay. That bucket is too tight. Get that chain off and move the bucket some, yeah. So what we'll do, when we get back here, we'll unhook that trailer, hook it to your truck, and I'll hook to this one. And Dad'll go ahead and carry the backhoe onto the back of the club. Yeah. And me and you can we'll take your truck with that trailer. Just suck it in, Dad. Hey guys, I'm gonna do a little voiceover here to let you know what we got going on. So what I was telling him, Dakota, there a few minutes ago, we're going to unload this backhoe and go get a stand down on that trailer. And when we come back here, we're going to come back to this same spot that we're sitting at right here. We're going to take my truck that I have all the tools in and unhook the trailer that we've got to stand on, and unhook that trailer and switch trailers out, really, so we won't forget anything. But that's kind of what we're doing right now. We're just prepping. So what we're doing right here is we're just lining up the ramps with the tires so the backhoe will come off and won't fall off the trailer. So what was happening there with that chain is, during the trip coming in, we come down some rough roads, and that bucket had just moved some, and that chain was just got in a bind. So he had to get up there and move them levers and take some tension off of it so we could get the hook off of there. But that's all we got going on. So once we get this tractor off of here, he's about to back it off now, and I get out the way, we're gonna be on the road to first stand, which is a good ways from here. So alright, appreciate you guys watching.
Take the four-wheeler off now?
No, we'll leave it on. Yes. Alright, you ready? Alright. Where they at? In this truck. Alright. See you at the next place. Alright, here we go. Off to go get the feeder. That's how deer hunting goes, bud. That is how it goes. Was talking about, we don't need to carry the truck down there to get that ladder stand. I'm like, I ain't right. How all three of us gonna ride this forward and bring the ladder stand back? I'm like, that ain't gonna work. So we got a lot going on right here. We got 4 stands and 4 feeders total that we had to take down, you know, in one day. So we knew we was gonna have an action-packed day, and I ended up not recording it just because at the moment I only have 2 GoPro batteries. So these videos take up a lot of battery life and it sucks it down pretty quick. So I actually didn't get footage of taking down the ladder stand that me and Dakota's talking about right there, but it wasn't nothing to it. It was a pretty small job. It was right down the road from this current place that we're at. So what we're about to see now, we're about to pull up here to the feeder that we're going to take down, and what you guys will see is we got a board, and you'll see it right there on the 4-wheeler. That board is what it's used for, is a brace. So it braces between the two. It's a tripod feeder, and it braces between the 2 legs. So when we take it down and it goes up into the air, it'll keep from bending the legs. It's just a brace to keep it from, you know, bending back on itself. But just hold on, guys, and it'll make more sense here in a minute. Watch your feet, buddy. Make sure we're out of the way. We got the...
That is the best zip tie job
Yeah.
I've ever seen.
There was a 50-50 chance we brought the wrong one when we put it up. We tried to shoot some pigs in here.
We done that for a reason. I don't know what.
Yeah, the sides.
Battery died, bud.
What?
Battery died, see?
Oh, it's got corn in it. Alright. Bring it on. Why'd you stop?
No, we got to take it off.
We can take it off at the truck.
Okay.
It's not heavy.
It's got a good bit of corn in it.
It's not that heavy. Probably like here.
Okay.
Y'all do that, y'all.
I'm surprised they didn't cut this timber in here.
Yeah, I got that. You get that hip.
Got it. Alright, let's go ahead. Okay. Come on down with that. Let's go ahead and tip it out. Alright.
Raccoon's gonna be eating good tonight.
I'll get this over here out the way. So the best thing to do is take that hook, give me that, put it over here. Pull on it, Dad, get it tight, get this. All right, you gonna put me up in the bucket? Hold on, let me get a wrench real quick.
You need this?
Yeah, we're gonna need that.
Yeah,
I need a 1/2-inch wrench. Yeah,
Okay.
that'll work too. You got a chain in that bucket.
I'm up there with you.
Yeah. He's got it. Oh, it's a whole lot easier doing this with the backhoe than it is that other Kubota.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it puts you right up here on it, man.
As long as your dad don't drive it.
He ain't gonna drop it.
Yeah.
You come in some more?
Yeah.
You're good.
No completely cleared on this side.
That's good. Hey guys, so what we're doing here is we're gonna rope off this feeder. I know this feeder doesn't look like much, doesn't look to be, you know, real heavy, but trust me, this thing's stout. Don't know what size steel that, you know, that connector is, that, you know, it's got these 3 legs to brace, or to, you know, to schedule steel, the pipes or anything like that. Pretty sure Dad might know or have an idea, but it's not something you really want to push down with, you know, and just manhandle down. We could do some serious rigging around here to some of these pine trees around with some blocks and tackle and stuff and work it down, but there's really no need when you've got a tractor like this. It just makes the process a whole lot easier and painless, so less chance of, you know, me or him getting hurt doing this too. So alright, well, we're about to, since that rope's on there, we're about to take our board now and brace our 2 legs, adjacent legs over here, just to keep those from bending. So we'll show y'all how we do that. So right there. Don't lose them nuts.
Nope.
I got some extras in their truck, I think, but I don't know if they're not, I think they're lock nuts, though. I'd rather have these.
Yeah. Oh, nothing.
You ain't got no nut on there? You took one off.
I took one off, okay. This Ryan about that, man. This about to be a bad day.
I got more of that stuff, I think.
More what?
Nuts and stuff.
Yeah.
I know I did leave in the truck, though. The hammer.
Yep. I can't get this one out.
You got to try to take that off. Turn it around. Snap it out.
Here, hold on a sec. Hold on a sec, buddy. Let me show you something. Let me do this real quick.
He got his out already.
Yeah, mine was a little bit walk-sided. All right. Got it. Put this on here to brace this thing. That where you want it at right there, Dan?
Tighten it up because you don't want it to slip.
No slippage. And that right there is the brace. Keeps this from bending whenever it comes down. All right, you want to let's tie off? How much slack you want in the rope? Yeah, you. Yeah, you're gonna hold it and we're gonna push it over. You keep it from. Yeah.
Okay.
How much slack you want in it, Dad?
A little bit more. I can take all the slack. I mean, not all of it.
All right, well that's good then, right there. Good, buddy? That's good, buddy, as long as you got tight. All right, you ready? Now we're gonna push it over and he's just gonna keep it from falling on us. All right, you ready? Let's go. All right. And he's just gonna walk it on down.
Make sure that leg don't pop up and hit you.
I was thinking that too. So easy with a backhoe, man. All right, buddy, that's it. That's all she wrote. Yeah, we gotta take it apart. My 1/2 inch socket at. I got tools everywhere. Tools everywhere.
You want to undo the 2x4 or no?
Oh, Jesus. Which one did I grab? I grabbed the, oh, I grabbed the wrong socket. Do what, buddy?
You want to undo the 2x4?
Yeah, I probably need to undo that.
Take this out first.
Are you kidding me? Did I not grab a 1/2 inch socket? Oh, there it is. Yeah, there it is. Do what, Dad? Do you want to undo that board first and then?
No, we got to hold this one up, take this one off. Once you get that out, that's what we'll do.
Let me go ahead and take these bolts out. All right, hold tight. Hold tight.
Got too much pressure on it.
Yeah, it's got some pressure on it.
Take this loose, Jerry.
Yeah, you're gonna have to take it off, Bo.
Yeah, take this loose. Then we can move it around the way we need it.
I got this, buddy.
I got this. Get one.
Thought the bows weren't out, Dad.
Just a figment of your imagination.
We didn't ever shoot no pig up here, did we?
No shot pig. But they was in. Biggest hog
They was here at night.
You hear me?
At
Biggest hog
night.
I ever seen was here.
At night.
I know that's a big hog. Oh, that toe.
There's that one.
Well, you got that nut on there. You might have to just leave it on, take the wrench and beat it back. Probably got tension on it.
Oh, yeah, take that off first.
Take it off, get that.
All right, it should be good now. I got the pole off of it. There you go. There you go. All right. Yeah, go ahead and put that back through the board, dude. Yep. Take our time and keep up with that stuff. Takes best thing to do. Just go ahead and pull it out there. I got should be good to go. There you go, boss. Pull it out. Bam! Ice cream.
Ice cream.
Here, Dad. I got a washer. Okay. May I advise something? I say
Something to me?
when you put these back on, run them down a little bit. You don't have to tighten them much so they don't vibrate loose. You know what I'm saying?
Okay. Oh, wow.
Tighten that down.
Right out.
Let's go ahead and get this off. You got that wrench, buddy? Let me see that wrench. Let's go ahead and take this off.
You know what I mean?
You already got that bolt out down there?
Yeah.
Quit. Keep going, it's coming. Keep doing that.
Watch out, that thing will jump up in there or something. All right, we're good. Damn! He's got it for that. You go ahead and get it. I think I got another 1/2 inch wrench, bro. Should be got 2 of everything. Here you go. Yeah, you gotta, I tell you, you might get away with leaving it on there, Dad.
Do that then. That's what I do, because then you got to take all that off. Just use that as one.
Yeah, because we didn't take that off when we put it up.
Yeah, we can leave that on there. Bam! Yeah, hold on, buddy. I'll help you with that. That one's.
Gonna put it on the backhoe?
Nah, we'll tow them out with the 4-wheeler.
Let me show you something. Here you go. Watch this. We put them on the backhoe.
Watch this. Watch this. Dakota, pick that up.
Hey, ain't no chance. Hey, why don't you just do that, Garrett? I think.
Here, come on my way, son. There you go. There you go. Can you come in on that side of the pipe? Can we get on that side of the pipe?
I believe I'd rather y'all put them on the doggone backhoe though. Backhoe will carry it.
All right. All right, we got all our wrenches, the impact. You got the wrench that you got. Just put everything back in that bag, like ice cream.
I think I did. I in my pocket.
Yeah, move that board right there. And we'll carry these to the truck, then we'll come and get the stand. All right. Cody, if you'll just walk behind me,
yep.
Be in good shape.
How you gonna turn around?
I'm just gonna back out.
You want me to walk here behind you or there behind you?
Either way.
Oh yeah,
Yeah, he's gonna have to carry that. I tell you what, buddy, you could put that right here in this basket when we carry it to the truck.
You're reaching the payload capacity on that thing.
That's whatever.
Is your fender bent though?
It's a Honda, but it'll be alright. Alright. Yep, you got everything back in that bag. Them tools, we're good.
Let's put a strap around on the back and so it doesn't slide off.
It'll be alright, ain't going nowhere. But it's gonna bend that wire all up.
I was just gonna do like 1 or 2 clicks.
Okay, go ahead. That's good enough. All right, let's go. All right, and get these feeder legs out and we'll come back and get the disc stand down and we'll be on to the next one. We got that stand and we got another ladder stand right down the road there. And then we'll be driving, doing a little bit of driving. Back at the hunting club. We got 3 tower stands down there. Well, 2 tower stands and a tripod, I guess. And so what we're gonna do is load we're gonna get that stand on the trailer we got right here. Now I'm gonna hook to that other trailer. We're gonna get our tripod and the feeder down. Then we're gonna go home and unload. And then we're gonna come back and get the 2 tower stands and load our backhoe up and go back home. We'll be done. So not too bad. We're about an hour from the house, so it takes up a little bit of time driving, but it ain't terrible. What, buddy?
One stand is 29 rows because it's so small.
What do you mean?
Like bring it with the first load?
Yeah, that's where we're going. We're gonna put down the yellow trailer.
Where you going with it, dude?
Hold on.
You want this in the bed?
No, it's gonna have to go on the trailer. Just slide them up there under the rail right there. We need to turn it around and put this on that side. Watch out, Dakota.
You won't need that.
There, like that.
You don't need no more brain damage here.
Oh, no.
I didn't say that.
Watch out, Dad. Watch out behind you. Let's get the light one first, Dakota.
Okay.
What's wrong?
This light forward because it's wrapped around this.
Just pull it back to you. You pull it back to you? No?
No, you see this is wrapped around it and then this is...
All right, let's get the heavy one then. All right.
Which one you want first?
The big end.
See here, what you might want to do here is lay it on top of that. On top of that.
Sideways?
Go in between the braces of the,
How will it fit?
if it'll go.
Wait, hold on.
Here. Yep.
Alright. That'll work. Ratchet strap it.
How about that?
That'll work.
Take handle off that thing.
We'll see. Maybe. I don't know how the deer stand lays on it.
I'm gonna put these things up. As deer get used to these things. I'm gonna put one down there though. One down
We'll
pin
just put
out.
the feeder after we get the stand on.
I don't want those in the way when we get the stand up here. Cause we got to load this four-wheeler up on the other trailer. All right, well that's that. Sir?
Needs a drink, bro. You just got to leave.
Mama's boy.
Hey, let's move this out the way here, Garrett, and we come in here and we
Put
just load it.
Okay. We're gonna have to take that thing off the transport.
Clear it up.
As you guys can see, there's just a lot going on here. I mean, taking these feeders down and these stands, you see it right there in the back of my truck, all the tools and stuff we've got prepared in case, you know, we need it for some reason. We kind of have an idea of the things that we're going to need when we take these things down, put them up, you know. But it's just a process, and this place that we're doing this on, it's over 16,000 acres, so you know, if you forget something in one truck, or we forget something in the dump truck in the low boy trailer or whatever, you know, you could be 45 minutes truck ride to, you know, go get that. So we really try to think ahead when we do this and plan everything out. So, you know, we save our time, and you know, like I said earlier, we're carrying these stands home, and we're an hour from the house. So, you know, if we can save a few minutes here and there to, you know, save us in the long run, we do. But what we're doing now, since we got that feeder down, is we're going to drive back up in here with the backhoe and go get this stand down. I think I'm going to leave that in the next part. In part 2, I'm going to go ahead and upload this video, so y'all be on the lookout. I'm going to have part 2 coming shortly after this. I appreciate you guys watching, and we'll see you soon.